Sprinter vehicles are becoming increasingly popular for delivery, fleet, and commercial applications. These vehicles can accumulate miles quickly and oftentimes exceed factory warranty coverage while still in use with the original owner. This means your aftermarket repair facility will have the opportunity to perform services normally reserved for the dealer. iScan Sprinter diagnostic software has OE-level capabilities and service functions you wouldn't expect to find on an aftermarket device. With early to late model coverage, industry standard diagnostic functions, and advanced service functions like SCR regen, adaptation of NOx sensors, maintenance resets, and module programming using our patented Support on Demand SOD. On this 2020 907 Sprinter, we have OE-level adaptations for engine, such as regeneration of diesel particulate filter at standstill, initialization after replacement of components, including hot film mass airflow sensor, NOx sensors, and many more. For SCR, we have the following adaptations. An important chassis adaptation, writing identification numbers of tire pressure sensors. And within the air conditioning system, normalization of actuator motors and teach-in of actuator motors. Bring OE-level diagnostic service to your Sprinter customers with iScan.